Welcome back to the Mind Detective channel, where we unravel the mysteries of the human mind and help you improve your relationships. In today's video, we present the ultimate guide, making her smile every day. Making her smile is not just about grand gestures, it's about the little things that create moments of joy and happiness. So let's dive into the secrets of making your partner smile every day. Tip #1. Surprise her with thoughtful notes. Leave her sweet notes in unexpected places like her bedside table, her purse, or on the bathroom mirror. These heartfelt messages will make her smile and remind her of your love and appreciation throughout the day. Imagine the joy she'll feel when she discovers these little surprises. Tip #2. Cook together and share laughter. Plan a cooking session where you both collaborate on preparing a special meal. Not only will you create a delicious dish, but the shared experience, laughter, and lighthearted moments will bring you closer together. The kitchen can be a place of fun, creativity, and delightful surprises. Tip #3. Enjoy quality time with laughter. Set aside dedicated time to enjoy each other's company. Pick a comedy movie that you both love and immerse yourselves in a world of laughter. Play games that bring out your playful sides and engage in activities that create moments of pure joy. Laughter is not only good for the soul, but also a powerful tool for strengthening your connection. Tip #4. Surprise her with adventures. Life is an adventure, and sharing it with your partner can be incredibly rewarding. Plan surprise outings or adventures that ignite excitement and anticipation. Take her on a spontaneous road trip to a picturesque destination, visit a new place neither of you has been before, or embark on a thrilling activity that gets your adrenaline pumping. The element of surprise and shared experiences will not only make her smile, but also create lasting memories that will brighten her days even long after the adventure ends. Tip #5. Shower her with love and affection. Never underestimate the power of physical touch and affection in nurturing a loving relationship. Hold her hand as you take a stroll, embrace her tightly in moments of vulnerability, and openly express your love. These small gestures of love and affection will make her feel cherished and bring a radiant smile to her face. Remember, it's the warmth of your love that can light up her world. Remember, making her smile is about consistent effort and thoughtfulness. By implementing these tips in your daily life, you'll create a joyful and loving environment that will make her smile every day. So, go ahead and unleash the power of a smile in your relationship. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more insightful content on relationships and the human mind, subscribe to the Mind Detective channel. Together, let's create happier and more fulfilling relationships. Thanks for watching.